So I was gonna make this really creative and epic introduction for this video that you're about to watch, but then I realized I don't really need it. Here's what you need to know. I went thrifting for items that I could resell online for a profit. I bought little boys' underwear. I actually discussed with you sinks and toilets, and even play a musical instrument for you. If that's not enough to make you want to watch, I'm not really sure what else to do. Hey, morning. Hey. How much you getting on the clarinet?
25. Just got that in yesterday.
Really? My daughter actually plays.
Oh, she does?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. There you go.
She's in the honor band at middle school. So I might get that and let her teach me. There we go. We might do a duet. So here's that one spray gun for parts. 44. It's in good condition. It's that one there. How much you getting on the paint spray?
$3.
$3. Talk me into it. You can see this is kind of a interesting thrift store. They take just about everything. You got toilets, sinks. This sink is probably actually worth something, but do you really want to ship it? Toilets, sinks, like I said, just a little bit of everything. Just an FYI, old weird colored bathroom and kitchen fixtures like sinks and toilets actually do sell really well. So this, if it was in better condition, it would be a really good bag. Sun Mountain sells really well. Man, it's got holes in the bottom. This one is strapped. Otherwise, that would be an awesome bag. You wouldn't want much for it either. TR517. So 29 sold for 75, 130, 85. I've got tapes at home I could test it with. It's just gonna depend on how much they want for it. And how much you gotta have on that? Just that old camera. The untested price. $5. So this could be a really good, or it could be a really bad haul. Got the clarinet, took a chance on it for 25 bucks. I'm going to let my daughter test it out. She actually plays the clarinet in the honor band. She's really good at it. Not like her dad. I don't know where she gets her musical skill from. Got the Brinks Model 18 paint gun. Looks like it sells for maybe 30 for parts, paid $3. And then the Sony camera, only paid $5 for it. Don't know if it works. I'm sure just the charger would sell and I could get my money back. But if it works, I don't know, $75, $100, somewhere in there. So pretty good stop, I hope. Gotta test everything. Real quick, make sure you guys stick around to the end of this video. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that's already sold, and I'll tell you all about this guy. Well, this is interesting. I mean, if you're into cats and pumpkins, this shirt is perfect. What's not perfect is that I've walked all over this store and haven't found anything. I mean, seriously, nothing rings a bell.
Oh, okay.
Is that Vapor Max. Yeah, for $3. I think I'm gonna get those. So this is kind of cool. Made in USA, so older, newer tags. Get that. So this is a good find. I've sold these before. $3 for 2 bags. So it's only 5. So it's missing 1 out of the box. Still pretty good. Kind of some bread and butter stuff here. I'd definitely be a little more excited about these Vapor Max if they were cleaner, but I mean, for $4, they actually went up with prices here at this thrift store, but these are $4 now. Paid $3 on these TerraPure or TerraPure water filters. I've actually sold these before. They usually sell for like $30 a box. That'd be like $60. Haven't looked them up recently. They may have gone down a little bit, but for $3, couldn't turn it down. Vintage UCLA shirt, and then this shirt right here. Never heard of Montauk Tackle, but original price $79. Doesn't really mean anything. I did look them up on eBay. There was like 2 listed for $29. None had sold. This one's got a Penn logo, which is a pretty popular fishing brand. Could help or hurt, not really sure, but paid $4 for that shirt and this one. Clothes here used to be $2. They went up. Either way, $4 still not too bad. So not a bad haul. Well, here's a killer find. You're always supposed to buy shape-ups, right?
Get in shape without setting foot in a gym with shape-ups from Skechers.
Because they never dry rot and they're always in good condition. Yeah, maybe not. So this is kind of crazy. These are actually Crocs. Like Crocs. They want $18 for them. They're not worth reselling. It looks like they sell for maybe $30, but never seen Crocs like that. That's definitely unique. New brand Topo Athletic, got Vibram soles, good condition, $6.50. I'll look them up and let you know. Oh wait, look at here. Those are pretty rough, unfortunately. There's one. It's a little heel wear. They probably still sell, but it's a little rough. So unfortunately, I'm walking out empty-handed, not because I didn't find anything, but because the line was so long. There was 2 ladies in front of me with carts full of stuff, and at our Goodwill, they don't have a barcode to scan. I actually have to type in the price, so it takes forever. So I was gonna get the Topo shoes, left them behind. Maybe I'll come back later on my way home. If they're still there, that'll be a quick $30. If not, oh well, saving time. All right, got the Goodwill combo unit. Got the retail store on this side, and then the bins or the outlet center on that side. And unfortunately, at our bins, they don't rotate stock throughout the day like they do at most. What's there at 10 o'clock is there the rest of the day. It's 12 o'clock now, so I don't expect to find much in there. I'm gonna hit up the retail first, and then we'll check out the outlets or the bins, see what's in there. So the old saying goes, if you see something new in the package, scan it. Well, look at these. Goodnight's True Fit underwear. I think it's only 2, it is 2 pair of underwear. And there's the boys right there, $39.88. It's a pair that sold for $15, $35. Go 39, $49, $50. And there's like 5 listed and 25 sold. So for $3.89, we're gonna get that. All right, so I got the Goodnight's underwear. That's the only thing I could find. And I'm thinking maybe I should title this video, I bought little boys underwear at Goodwill. Maybe not. So yeah, like I said, they don't rotate stock at our Goodwill bins. Everything starts out in these boxes like this, and then people search through and put them in these blue bins. So don't really expect to find a whole lot. It's already been gone through, but you never know. So that's actually a Le Creuset lid. Unfortunately, the top is melted. Otherwise, that would probably be pretty good. There is no way that it's 12:30. This place opened 2.5 hours ago. And there's an Osprey pack sitting here. It is. I don't see any holes. I'm not even look up comps. I'm gonna grab it because I think it's worth it. I'm sure it's gonna be cheap. I don't see any holes or anything. I'm getting it. I am absolutely not a fan of digging through the bins. If they would restock them like they used to and bring out rows at a time, it'd probably be more fun, but stuff's been sitting there since 10 o'clock. But to find an Osprey backpack at 12 o'clock after the stuff's been there for 2 hours, kind of crazy. Paid $5.67 for it. Didn't look it up at all, but I bet you it's worth at least 50, 60 bucks. It seems to be in good condition. I mean, I don't see any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. I'll definitely look it over closer when I get home, but it's a nice pack for sure. So update, that Osprey bag is already sold. It sold really quick, and if you don't know, Osprey is a really good brand to be on the lookout for. That particular one was actually better than I thought. Sold for $84.50 plus shipping. Also, I just heard an interview recently from the founder of Osprey on the podcast called How I Built This. Definitely go give it a listen. It's pretty cool. Also, already sold a Sony Handycam. Tested it, worked great. Everything was functional as it should be. Sold for $107 plus shipping. Not bad for a $5 investment. But then there's this thing. This is a Selmer Series 10 clarinet. I think it's made in Paris, and apparently it's pretty rare. Found sold comps on this guy anywhere from a broken one for $125 to refurbished ones upwards of $1,000. So definitely a good find. I did try and get my daughter to test it for me, and this was really all she would give me. But I've been watching some YouTube videos, and I've kind of learned how to play this thing a little bit. Check it out. Okay, I didn't really learn how to play this, but I am going to list it for like $399, and I think it should actually sell pretty quick at that price. Everything looks to be in good condition. I am going to sell it for parts as is with a long explanation of what I know and what I don't know, and I still think it'll move pretty quick. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely a bunch of killer finds, but this was actually only half of the day. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button down below so you get notified when I release my next video, because that one's going to be an even more epic find. And maybe not monetarily, but it's going to actually take me to a graveyard. So you definitely want to stay on the lookout for that one, but we'll see you next time.